Hi guys, this is CC from Earthsea and You. I'm back again. I haven't made a video for a few months, but I'm back again, and I just want to answer a few questions from some of my customers and other people that I talk to regarding the sea moss. We have the Earthsea and You sea moss, and it's usually be in a 2-ounce package, and it's dried purple sea moss. Sometimes we also have the golden sea moss, but right now we don't have any gold sea moss, but I have the purple sea moss now on sale for $15 per package. I found out that a few people are still having problem blending the sea moss to a gel form, and I'm here to help and guide people that is having problems with the sea moss. So you can just come right in and listen. This is my little dog. I didn't get to introduce him. This is Rusty. Say hi, Rusty. Say hello. All right, I'm going to put you down. Bye. Okay, one of the problems that I noticed that some of my customers and other people that I talk to about how to make the sea moss, they end up having problems getting it liquefied and turning into a gel. So today I'll just explain. I'm not going to go through the process by blending and washing, because that is a previous video that I have. The only change that I am making to the sea moss to get it in a gel is using warm water. You could use a little warm alkaline water, put it in a pot, boil it up for a few minutes, let it settle and let it get warm. Then when you're ready to blend it, the same process, wash your sea moss, put it to soak, then throw it in the blender, cover it with some warm alkaline water. Make sure that it's all covered, and put it in your blender and blend it for roughly 10-15 minutes. The problem was that I noticed that some of the blenders that some of my customers have and what they're using is not powerful enough to blend the sea moss, and the particles are still there floating around in the liquid. But we want it to be liquefied. We want it to be fully liquefied, that you don't see any particles in the liquid. So one of the easiest way to do it is to blend it when the water is warm. You're still going to use your you're still going to use your alkaline water, but you just want to make sure that the water is not cold, it's warm. And you blend it for maybe 15 minutes, or if you want to do it longer, the longer you do it is the more gel-like it will form. Then you take it out, you put it in the refrigerator. You either put it in early in the morning. If you put it in like 8 o'clock in the morning, then you know by in the late afternoon it's ready. It should form a gel. If not, then you can do it overnight and let it stay overnight, and then when you take it out, it should be in a gel. I don't think there would be any more problems, with blending your sea moss once you follow that direction. And if there's anything that you need to ask me, just send me a message below, and remember to subscribe and share, and I'll see you next time.